In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Shopify step by step. By the end, your custom domain will point to your Shopify store, and you'll know exactly what to change and where to verify it. Start in your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, open Settings, then go to the Domain section. Choose Connect Existing Domain. Type your full domain name exactly as you own it at GoDaddy without HTTP or HTTPS and click Next. Shopify will be ready to check your DNS, but first we need to update those records at GoDaddy so everything points to your store correctly. Now switch over to GoDaddy and sign in. Open your profile, go to My Products, then find the Domains area. Click Manage All to open the DNS Manager for the domain you want to use. You'll see a list of DNS records. We're going to update two records, the A record and the CNAME. Edit the A record for the host at, so it points to Shopify's IP address 23.227.38.65. Keep the record type as A and leave the TTL at its default, then save. Next, edit the CNAME record for the host www so it points to shopsmyshopify.com and save that as well. These two settings tell browsers that your root domain goes to Shopify's servers and that your www version follows the same path. Check for duplicates or conflicting entries. If you see any other A records for at or extra C names for www, remove them to avoid conflicts. Don't touch MX records or other entries used for email. Those are separate and should remain as they are. When you're done, make sure you save all your changes in the GoDaddy DNS Manager. Head back to the Shopify domains page and click Verify Connection. Shopify will look for the updated DNS records. If it verifies right away, great. If not, don't worry. DNS changes can take time to propagate across the internet. It often completes within a few hours, but in some cases it can take up to 48 hours. You can come back to this page and click Verify again later if it doesn't connect immediately. Once the connection is verified, your GoDaddy domain is officially linked to your Shopify store. From here, Shopify will begin serving your storefront at your custom domain as the changes propagate. If you recently switched from another platform, keep in mind that cached results may linger for some visitors during that window. That's it. Your domain is connected, clean, and ready for customers to find your store.